Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites so uploads don't fail. You should have scanned documents saved as PDF, JPG, or PNG, and each file under 2 MB. Once done, open the Aiou portal or mobile app and sign in with your registration number and password. Make sure your email and CNIC match your records. If you hit authentication errors, recheck credentials and use the browser's private window before proceeding. Now move to the Upload area in the student dashboard. You locate the Upload section under Student Services and choose the exact document type from the drop-down because correct tagging speeds verification. Next, click Choose File, pick your scanned file, and then click Attach. Visually confirm the file name and size before you continue. Once attached, fill any required fields like semester, document category, and short remarks. These fields prevent misplacement. After completing the form, double-check entries and proceed to submit so the system registers your upload. You finalize by clicking Submit and waiting for an on-screen confirmation or reference number. Save that number. Then go to My Uploads to verify status, pending, approved, or rejected. If approved, you're done. Download the receipt if available. If rejected, read the rejection reason immediately, correct the file or metadata, and reupload before the deadline to avoid delay. As a troubleshooting tip, if uploads fail repeatedly, clear browser cache or try a different browser. Then reattempt with smaller, optimized files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.